Hey Kinfolks, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning Kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video we are going to be installing this 13x4 human hair 10-inch bob that I got from Amazon, and of course I'm going to be giving y'all my honest opinion on it. Y'all, this wig was $73, and baby, it did not disappoint, but I'll tell you guys all about it later on in the video. So if this isn't your first time visiting my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come and join the family, cousin, and hit that little bell on the side as well so that you can be notified every time your girl drops new content. Now let's get into it. So if you have been watching my videos, you know I like to use the bald cap method when I install my wigs, because every wig deserves a good foundation. After applying and adjusting my wig cap, I go in with the Got To Be hairspray just so that I can mold the wig cap to my head. Now I like to use my blow dryer on the cool setting to help speed up the process of this hairspray drying, because ain't nobody got time to be waiting on this wig cap to dry. You know, I'm on a time limit. After the wig cap is dry, I go in with some finishing powder or bronzer to get this wig cap matching my skin tone, because the foundation needs to be looking good for this wig or just any wig that you are applying. You want it to be as scalp looking as possible, if that's a thing, if I use that right. Anyways, you want it to be, you know, very transparent, so you don't want your lace wig to look like a lace wig, you know what I'm saying? So it all starts here with the foundation, so that when you go to apply your wig, everything just looks very seamless and transparent. And here is the wig. Again, it was only $73 on Amazon, and it was worth the dollar. It is 100% human hair. It has 150% in density. The texture is very soft, and it takes heat very well, which I will be showing you guys. This hair was also very bouncy, and it didn't get stiff. And I wore this wig for, you know, a few days, and I had this wig out in Jamaica with me, y'all, and it really did good. Like, it really did good. And I really liked the little curl pattern that this wig had once it dried from being wet, because like I just told y'all, I had this wig with me out in Jamaica. And I think that I am actually going to try and dye this wig to see how it takes color one of these days, just because I really did like how it worked out for me, to be honest with you. But anyways, after I adjust my wig cap to fit my head, I cut the wig cap stopping right in front of my hairline. Now I'm gonna go in with my wig bonding glue. I want to make sure that this wig ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? When water hit it, I want it to stay. When sweat hit it, I need it to stay, because y'all know it'd be hot. It'd be hot here in Georgia, it'd be hot in Jamaica, it'd be hot everywhere. So gotta make sure that this wig ain't going nowhere. But you guys, I I do this method 3 times. I apply the glue, let it dry down, and then I apply some more glue, let it dry down, and then I apply some more. And then I like to go in with the end of a rat tail comb and just smooth out the glue so that there's no lumps and no bumps, and everything is just looking very, very, very smooth, as you can see. After that last layer of glue is on and dried, I went in with the wig. I cut 2 slits in the wig, just making 3 little pieces, just so that it's easier for me to apply the wig and make sure that it's nice and smooth and on my hairline. And you know, It's just helpful to just do things in sections so that you can make sure you get things right and everything is nice and smooth to your liking. Now that my wig is in position and fit how I like to go in with my elastic band to bond both the wig and the glue together so that we can have a seamless hairline. And while that is drying down and molding, I went ahead and cut any excess wig cap that I had around my ears. And then I got right into styling this wig. I just did your typical middle part and I straightened this hair. I did use some edge booster just so that this hair can get bone straight, especially at the top like I like. So when I go to use my hot comb, it just gets everything like bone straight, as you can see. Oh my gosh. Oh, see, look, I told y'all this hair was just... it's doing this thing. It's good. Look at the way it's straightening. Look at that middle part. It looks really good. I really enjoyed wearing this wig, buying this wig, and yeah. Now that my hair is straight, I am going to take off the elastic band, and now I'm going to just cut off any excess lace, stopping right at my hairline. Just y'all, look at how this is looking. Everything is looking as transparent as I need it to, and yeah, y'all buy this wig. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna tell y'all about this wig because it's a real nice wig. I'm gonna just say that, and I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna link the link in the description box down below. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and finish cutting off the excess lace, and we are also going to cut the lace from around our ear as well. Now, even though this wig came pre-plucked, I felt like I just needed a little more plucking just to, you know, fit my hairline a little bit more. So I just did just a tad bit more customization. So feel free to do that if you end up purchasing this wig. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit more plucking if you need to. And now we are going to get into these baby hairs. Now, y'all, I always feel like my baby hairs could be better. So I'm really gonna try to, you know, work on how to swoop my baby hairs and my wigs a whole lot better. I see a lot of different methods, so we'll see. I'm gonna practice some. I'm gonna see. That's all I'm gonna say. So right now, this is the best swooping that I can do until I figure out a nice little method that I like when it comes to getting these baby hairs laid. So I did run my hot comb through the front of my hair again, just because I'm extra and I like to make sure things are just bone straight. So yeah, if you need to or you want to, just to run your hot comb through your hair, the front, just so we make sure it's sleek and, you know, very straight, go ahead, because that's exactly what I'm doing. But anyways, you guys, this is the wig. Like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to dye this wig so that I can, for one, get some good use out of it, and I also want to see what more this wig can do. There hasn't been any shedding, and this wig has just been A1. So again, I've linked it in the description box down below. But like, y'all, I want to thank you so much for watching this video and just kicking it with me. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this video down below, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.